guys, we're coming back with another video, and today this is the echo of the microphone. This microphone, like, all you have to do is just turn this, and all of a sudden, yeah, there's an echo. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but this is just another level of just sick. Okay, like, bro, guys, I'm using this microphone every day. Like, bro, I can leave it here. I don't know. This is such a random video to make. I'm just, bro, this is just yo. My name's Ben. Here we go again. Prepare to meet your end. My name is not Ben 10. Oh yeah, and the mirror. Where did it go? It freaking fell. One more to go, guys. Remember, guys, there was like 4. There was 1, 2 of them fell. Alright? One of them smashed on the ground, yeah? This one fell. We have 1 more to go and it's gone. I told my mom not to put it up here, but she won't listen. Now my room has to pay the price. But guys, I will make sure I have a new setup. I want a new setup. But anyways, that's a whole different topic. But anyways, you guys, loving this microphone. I could turn off the echo system if I want to, like so. I don't know what I don't know what, like, the 2 of them do. You know, the 2 of them here? I don't know. I mean, hold on, I think I know. This one there is for the headphones, and this one is just the mic, how loud you want the mic to be, right? I want to test it out, guys. Only you guys will know what's up. So I'm gonna do the headphones first. The headphones, I'm gonna turn it down. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. Any difference, guys? Oh, I get it. When you're I think it stops working for people who are wearing headphones, I think. Oh no, I'm not gonna turn it down. I kinda want it on anyways. Yeah, guys. Bro, this is so confusing. I need to practice with this one. But yeah, guys, this microphone's cool. If I wanted to take it off and everything, all I need to do is twist this and twist this and it's off. And all I have to do is just hold it like this and just talk like I'm a singer or something. But yeah, you wanna hear the echo? I know my lips are so close to it, like, by the way. Yeah, it's just me trying to get used to it, innit? I don't know if I'm using this properly. I have no idea. Like, come on, this is why I'm gonna use this every day, so I really get what's going on here. But yeah, this is the microphone I'm gonna use every day. The echo's on. Let's turn it off. Obviously, the echo can be annoying sometimes. I can only use echo when it's absolutely necessary. And no, guys, I will not do ASMR. I will not do any kind of thing like that because ASMR is not my thing, bro. I'm sorry, but I explained it to my siblings yesterday. There's no way I want all my saliva and all that spit. No, bro, that's disgusting, bro. Hell no. And nah, hell no. No, just no. I'm not doing that. So, no ASMR. Alright, I love speaking through this mic. It's like so professional. It's like I'm having a podcast or something. Ooh. Watch, I'm gonna press the look, you guys won't be able to hear me once I press the mute button. Watch. You guys can't hear a thing. You guys can't hear a thing, man. I'm telling you, you guys can't hear a thing. A thing. thing. Yeah, guys, I love it. Love it. This is my Christmas present right here. This is called, if you want this microphone, guys, this is called Zeo Sound. I am not, what did he say? I'm not sponsored, whatever that's supposed to mean. I just love it to the point where you guys can have it too. Zeo Sound. I just found it on Amazon. Asked my mum for it, and she got me it, you know. And it's cool, guys. I recommend if you want to be a YouTuber, I recommend you guys having this kind of microphone, because this microphone is epic, like epic. But I don't know if I'm using this microphone properly though. That's the thing. But yeah, loving it, guys. And I hope you guys had a great Christmas. You know, it's the 26th right now. Christmas was yesterday. And I guess we should look forward to New Year's, you know. It's crazy, bro. 2023 soon, like, I don't know, man. Crazy thinking about it. Crazy. Like, I remember, you guys, right at the beginning of the year, bro. Right at the beginning of the year. And the fact that we fast forward to now. It's crazy, like. Time goes by quick. Time goes by freaking quick. And I'm looking forward to 2023. Do I have any New Year's resolutions? Of course. I feel like we all should, you know. Like, we should all have a... Is it on? I swear, if you guys could hear me. Alright, you guys can hear me. Alright, bet. We should all have a specific goal and just work towards it next year. We should all have a specific goal and work to... Oh, is the lights annoying? F it, I like it. We should all have a specific goal and work towards it. So, like, have so many goals and they shall be achieved next year. 12 months, bro. 12 months of just trying to achieve these goals. And yeah, crazy, bro. New Year's very, very soon. Looking forward to it. How will I spend my New Year's, you ask? My New Year's, how will I spend it? I don't know. We were planning on going to town, but I don't know. No spoilers. No spoilers. No spoilers. But anyways, I don't want to tell you guys spoilers on how I'm going to spend my New Year's. That's how YouTube works. You don't want to, you know, let you people know, you know, what's up, what's going to happen. Because then it won't be as exciting, because then they know what's going to happen. No, guys, I'm not going to town on New Year's. Nah, I'm not. Nah, I genuinely even know. I genuinely don't even know what I'm gonna do on New Year's. Am I too loud? I think am I too loud? If I am, guys, just turn down your volume. But I don't know. It's the microphone here. Don't blame me. Blame the microphone, okay? Blame this beautiful looking microphone. In fact, I have 2 microphones, man. In fact, I have 3 microphones. 1, which is for vlogging. 2, which is like, this for me to hold it like this, and this is just me just talking. If I want to do gaming or anything like that, I just use this, innit? An epic microphone. But yeah, guys, looking forward to 2023, and yeah, I do have a lot of goals. But anyways, yeah, I'm just loving this microphone and I'm just testing it out. You know what I mean? Test. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. But yeah, you guys couldn't even see it though. But it's sitting here. It's sitting in front of me, staring at me. You know what I mean? I'm a singer now. Yeah. 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 Bro, I might just start an album now. I might just create a song or something, guys. A rap song, sings a song, or me singing or whatever. Yo. But yeah, guys, I'm just letting you guys know how much I love this microphone. It's like, I can't believe it does echoes as well. Like, am I in some kind of cave or something? Like, what in the world? What in the world, man? Crazy. Honestly, I mean, honestly crazy. But yeah, yeah, guys. I hope you guys. I'm gonna end the video here, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. Christmas is long gone, but it still feels like Christmas to me, man. We're still in December, so it still feels like Christmas for me. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just me talking a bunch of things, but the main topic is this microphone and how much I love it. This video is just me testing out. You know, I might just call this video testing out my microphone, testing my microphone, my new microphone, part 2 or something. But anyways, maybe. But anyways, yeah. The microphone was on. The echo was on the whole time. Lol. But anyways, guys, yeah. Hope you guys take care and take care and peace. Look forward to my other videos. Bye. Oh, and of course, hold on. I'm posting this on the 27th, aren't I? Hold on. So let me just go to this calendar real quick. Let me just go to this calendar. Tomorrow's the 27th. No way. No way. Hold on. Alright, I'm going to the calendar right now. On the 27th, 2 more days, bro. Hold on, no, not 2 more days. No, so like, wait, no, tomorrow's, no, alright, I'm confusing you guys. I'm recording this video on the 26th. This video will be posted tomorrow, which will be on the 27th, which is today for you guys, so you guys are in, like, the future. But anyways, on the 27th, the 28th, the 29th, and the 30th, so there's, like, for you, so 4 more days until New Year's. Not trying to scare you guys. Like, we should look forward to 2023, a beginning of a new year. But yeah, guys. Anyways, I'm kind of talking a lot today. But yeah, I'm just like. But anyways, yeah. Anyways, take care. Peace.